Hey guys, hey dolls, welcome back. It's your girl Valisa, and on this video I'm so excited to show you guys what now. Oh my god, before I start with this video, it is my first time unboxing this box right here, but before I unbox it, I want to talk to you guys about this brand that I have been following for months now, and I have to say that I'm so in love with their collection. Now here's the thing, if you know me, okay, and for those that do not know me, I am a big fan of fashion. I mean, hello, fashion, style, colors, what's trending, what's not trending. I just love the feeling of having like nice things, but also on a budget. Okay, I love my brands. I love Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Burberry, and oh my god, it just went out of my head. Obviously we all love Hermes, but not everybody can afford it, duh. But sadly, a Birkin, it's not, I'm not gonna get a Birkin. I'm like, that would be like a dream. I would get that when I'm sleeping. I'll dream about it, think about it, but honestly, I would not even dare myself to even walk in their store. So with that said, all I have from Birkins is like a box that a friend of mine gave me, and I just have like jewelry that I have there. But I do not have like I do have Burberry's, I do own Fendi's, I own some of those brands, but lately, like, it's been like about 3 years that I have not purchased nothing like that. After I moved to the UK, I discovered Primark, which I really like. I love Primark. Who doesn't love Primark? Primark is like amazing, okay? But I also love locals. I love locals. I have been supporting small business, locals, and when I moved here to Delaware, I have been looking like for locals, you know, markets where people go and sell like their creations and stuff like that. And I love leather. Like, I just love leather. I like the smell of it. I know it's weird. I love the feeling of it. I just like how it looks. And honestly, I'm not far away from PA, Delaware. So I have been seeing this girl on Instagram, and I think she does an amazing job. Now, I have been following her for like about a year now also, and I like to watch her videos. She goes live a lot on Instagram, on all social media. So here she is, and I think that's her husband. I could be wrong, I don't know. The guy's always there, and I've seen a little boy in there. That is like their basement, and honestly, I'm living the style. Like, she took me back a little bit to the British world. Like, I feel like when I watch her video, I feel like she's in Great Britain. She's not even here. But then when I see P, I'm like, okay, you know. And she's not that far away from me, but because of COVID, you know, I don't want to go over there. She actually does have a little shop, I think. I'm not sure. I did message them before because I really want to go, and I just love her bags. Like, I love her style, I love her creation, and you can tell. And the reason why I love designs and stuff like that is I love how they do it. I like how they create it. I love how they design it. I love, like, if you build something from scratch, like if you make a cake from scratch, I will appreciate for the rest of my life. Like, I appreciate things that is made from scratch. So I just like that. I don't like copycats, and I don't like stuff that people, for example, I met people that try to steal people's design and then create it, but create it in a bad way. Yeah. For example, people try to create Selena's bra all the time, and all they do is hot glue it and put just gems on a bra. Like, no, I want you to like create it, create your own design. So that's the thing I look into when I'm buying like fashion and stuff like that. Yeah, agreed. Okay. So I just love her creation. I just love how organized. Her Instagram is so beautiful, and she's so unique, and I love her stylish. Like I said, she just reminds me a little, like, she makes me that like British UK style, you know what I mean? Some country. I'm not so country girl, but you know, I'm a city girl, but still it's just so cute, so unique. And I see hair everywhere. Man, I have hair all over. Like, my Malamute just somehow managed to open the gate and decided to come up here, and I'm like, fuck. Like, now I have like a few hair. I have started disinfecting this room. But anyways, so my husband surprised me I actually saw this when I arrived on my camera. I was like, oh, it's another packaging. And I literally just picked it up and I put it down and I said, hey, you got a package. And he was just like, oh, no, it's for you. So he knew that I have been looking at this bag for months. So he was like, you know what, I'm going to get it for her. And I really wanted it for Christmas, but he didn't get it for Christmas. But he was just like, you know, she could wait. But look at the design. I appreciate that. The box, the way it was sent. So now I'm gonna unbox it. But if you guys would like, I totally appreciate if you guys go head out to her page, see it, click like, okay, leave a comment and watch her video. She's so fun to watch. And like I said, I think that's her husband. I'm not too sure if that's her husband or not, but kind of cute, both of them. But yeah, box this. Oh my god. Okay, I'm literally using a thing because I can't find. I was gonna use a tweezer, but I want to miss my tweezer because I need to get my brows on. I don't know what happened to my scissors. They just disappeared. When you have kids, everything disappears in this house. But every parent can relate. When you got kids, things just start disappearing. But yeah, literally, this is what I'm using. How embarrassing. But I'm super excited. Oh my god. I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh wait, right here. Ooh, okay. So this is what I love about people that designs and they have their own creation. Look how the box she wrote. Wait, is it backwards? Yeah, it is. Look at this. Okay. This is how it comes. Look at that. You guys see that? I hope you guys can see that. I hope my camera's picking up because I'll be pissed. Look at this. Like, hello. Look at this. Voila. Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot to tell you. He picked the bag. I didn't even pick the bag. I just found like 3 bags that I want from them. And yeah, I'm looking the bag for the first time. I don't know what bag he got. So I'm kind of nervous. I'm going to show it to you guys. I think I know what it is. I think. I'm not sure. Oh my god, I think. He got me the one that I wanted. Oh my god. Not the color, but I'm in love with it. I'm so happy, you guys. Oh my god. Okay. So I had to change my batteries of my phone for some reason. It just died. And it's like literally in 30%, but it died. Anyways, but I am so excited because I've been watching these bags for months now. And my husband surprised me with one. I'm speechless. I am speechless. Like, look how beautiful. So, okay, so here's their card, their business cards, which pretty cool. Like I said, make sure you guys follow. Make sure you guys follow, okay? And here's the front. Make sure you guys follow, please. Click like. Look at this. I love when brands send cards like this telling their story and what they're all about and all that stuff. And yeah, it's beautiful. You see what I tell you? It's like country or very British. I don't know. It makes me so much memory when I used to live nearby Cambridge. I used to go to Cambridge every single weekend. Like, we have a chance, Cambridge. It was raining, Cambridge. It was sunny, Cambridge. I just love Cambridge. And I also love Bury St. Edmunds. I love Lavenham. So it just gives me that country feeling, you know, very Dutch, clean. I just love it. I don't know. It just gives me that feeling like I'm still in Great Britain. Like, I don't know. It's just so weird. But ta-da-ta-da, to the back. I love everything, you guys. They just, yeah, this is so beautiful. This is what dedication looks like. Okay? Yeah, I'm super happy. All right. So I really wanted the brown bag. I have been looking at the brown bag just because I feel like the brown color match with everything, but then so is black. I don't know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? I really wanted the brown bag because I don't know, it just feels like exotic, like fancy. I don't know, there's something about it. I just love it. But then again, the black one also looks good with everything. You know what I mean? So I just love it. Let me open it. They even seal this. That is so cool. Wow. And I got a perfect size because I'm a mom, but my girl's already big. So carry your own shit. Okay? I ain't carrying yours. You carry your own damn thing. They have the little cute backpacks or whatever. But this is so beautiful. My phones fit in here. My little wallet fits in here. My card holder. My little, you know, that have monedas and it fits in here. Okay? I just love it. This is so... Doesn't smells. It doesn't smell. Look at the details. I just love this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And honestly, let's talk about pricing. Pricing, I think the most expensive bag that I've seen in their website is like literally no more than 500. Literally is under 500. And it's really cool because you have so many options. It's not gonna break your bank and it's still good quality. You know what I'm saying? This is so adorable. I would like another one with just the small one. You know what I mean? Like, let me open it. So here it is. Voila. Look how beautiful that is. That is so nice. I just love the details. Wow. That is so pretty. All right. Here it is. Why does my ring keeps going to the side? Okay. Look at that. It's a crossbody. This is what the front looks like. That is so cool. And honestly, I saw her sewing it. Wow. I saw her sewing it. It's like a magnet. Yep. There it goes. It's a magnet. That is so cool. I love this. Oh my god. And here you can change, you know, to make it longer or shorter or whatnot. This is so pretty. I just love it how you can style it. Okay, you can style it the way you want it. Let me stand up. All right, here I have my leggings on. Okay, here's my hair, here's my leggings. Ooh, the sun is coming out. Great. Ooh, I like that. Like I said to you guys, you can style it. Okay, see, black match with everything. I mean, here's my cute hat right there. This is my jacket that I got at Primark like years ago, and I still use it. I still take care of it. But you can look at my bag. It matches with anything. So I just love it. Look at that. Voila! Or you can do pair of jeans, okay, and a cute comfy sweater. Now for spring that's coming up, you can do like a cute sweater. You know, a big sweater that can cover you or whatever when you feel warm but still sexy. You can do off the shoulders. I don't care. I don't know. You can be playful, but it's cute and it does work. I like how it matches. I like it how you can even put it in the front too and just be, you know, stylish. Put a cute boots on or whatever, but it's so adorable. It looks adorable. Or you can do something like this, very relaxed. You know what I mean? With your Converse or with some cute sneakers, you can also do that and pull it off. You know what I mean? A day out with your friends to brunch or whatever, go shopping. So I just love it, especially like sweaters like this. I just love it because it's like, it's not too cold, but it's not hot. It's like in between, you know what I mean? Something just to keep you nice and cozy and warm or whatever. But I love this style, okay, with some Converse. If you want to add your hat, you can do that too. Even for the summer also, yeah, why not? When you go out with your friends, you know, out to the beach or whatever, just grab and go. Or a day out shopping with your, I don't know, with your boo, a day of Sephora, I don't know, you figure it out, girl. But this is so cute. I just love it. I love this bag because you can switch it up from jeans to skirt to mini dresses, but not to go out to party. So don't get it twisted, okay? Because some of you be like, you told me to go out. No. This is for day, morning, evening. It's fine if it's casual, you know what I'm saying? But I just love this bag. This is so cute. I would like to get another one with just the handle. You know what I mean? Maybe you can add something you can attach to it. but this one is perfect. I'm super happy and I am in love with my bag. All right, you guys, so yes, check them out. Look how pretty. I'm so happy. Look at that. Ah, I'm so happy. Ah, it's so pretty. I'm so que lindo. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I got this bag. Yeah. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Lindo, lindo, lindo. Right, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. And if you didn't like it, that's totally fine. Send it to somebody else if you want to annoy it. But don't forget to check them out. Okay, follow, click like, support them, support your local and small business. I like this video. I just want to say thank you so much for your support, for the love, for beautiful comments. And on my Instagram, thank you guys so much for following and supporting me. It means a lot to me. And until my next video, let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this brand. But yeah, go and show some love. All right, now I really have to go because I have to get some nails. So head over to my Instagram and check them out, okay? Mwah, mwah. Besos, take care. Don't forget your mask. Stay safe and take care. And on to my next video.